Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your JSYES smartwatch. First, make sure your JSYES smartwatch is fully charged. This ensures a smooth setup without interruptions. Next, you'll need to download the official JSYES companion application. Search for it in your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and install it. This application is essential for all connectivity and features. Once the app is installed, the next crucial step is to enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Go to your phone settings, find the Bluetooth option, and switch it on. It's important to keep your JSYES smartwatch and phone close together, ideally within a distance of about 3 feet or 1 meter, during the entire pairing process to maintain a strong connection. Now, open the JSYES companion application you just installed. The app will guide you through the pairing process. It will typically prompt you to search for your device. Select your JSYES smartwatch from the list of available devices. You will then receive a pairing request on both your watch and your phone. Confirm it on both to establish the connection. After successful pairing, the application will likely ask for certain permissions, such as access to notifications or location. Grant these to ensure full functionality of your JSYES smartwatch. The watch and app will then begin to synchronize data, which might take a few moments. Once complete, you can explore the app to customize settings, track your fitness, and enjoy all your watch's features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.